Patreon, how you guys doing? Hope you're having a wonderful day. So, this video I wanted to talk to you about some changes I've done to this chest rig setup. This is Citadel Defense. I think he calls it the Spectre chest rig. I forget what it is, but this is the Citadel Defense chest rig. And as you guys know, I had some growing pains with it, but I'm loving it now. So, this is what I've done to it lately. Okay, you've probably noticed that my dangler is different. Yes. I used to have a Condor something where it was part of the VAS system, the Vanquish Armor system, which this is also. But what that was is it had straps up the back, and I had to cut the molly, if you remember, and I had to do all that. So this new product is a drawdown waist pack Gen 3. And what's nice about it is that it just Velcros in on the back here. It attaches to the, let me show you, the Velcro on the back of the chest rig, molly or Velcros in, and then this covers over it, and it just sits there. Nice setup. I really like it so far. So this is now my admin pouch. So that's the first change. And yes, I still got to use it a bunch and make sure that, you know, I get myself trained onto everything, where this is and everything like that. So anyway, new admin pouch dangler. What is another change? Another change is I had my rat's tourniquet right here on my strap. I moved it to here, in between the pouches. Nice and tucked away, out of the way, doesn't take up any space. It's nice, he's got elastic, stretchy here, so it just sits right in there. And yeah, it's a great place for it. You guys know how I feel about that. Rats have their place, maybe. Cat tourniquet number one, but have a rat's on you. Why not, you know? So, another change is that this harness, I'm a smaller dude. So, let me move into the camera. This harness was not adjustable between here, between the piece that goes across your back and here. So, adjusting it to fit me kept pulling this strap down further and further on my back. So what I wanted to do is adjust these. Well, I looked at it and he's got, you know, molly pieces here. So what did he have attached? He had attached these buckles right here. He had it attached down there. So I just, luckily they're split buckles. Good call, Citadel Defense. So I removed those, and then I used some of these Condor buckles right here. And I put it on the first molly strap. I may move it to the second molly strap, but there's 3 molly straps here to choose from. The last one is elastic though, so basically 2. So I may move it up to this one, but what that did is it allowed some adjustability with this strap system. So the male buckles he was using wouldn't work with the Condor buckle here, but I figured out the issue. The center post was just too long. So I took a Dremel, I just Dremeled it down some, and bam, clips in perfectly. So I got these Condor buckles on here now to give me adjustability where I want it. And then, if you noticed also, off to the side, I got a dump pouch. Not my favorite dump pouch, but this is by Condor. It's actually, it's growing on me. I actually don't mind it. At first I didn't like the structural, how stiff it is around the outside, but it actually, because it does that, it actually, it doesn't flop around as much, and it's a little more positive retention when I go to stow my magazines. So I'm actually digging that. And what I did is that stretchy molly here on the side, I just put one of the straps through there for the dump pouch, and the other one I just put around the waist strap. So it's not going anywhere. It's steady. It's good to go there. So yeah, those are the changes to my chest rig setup. I hope you guys liked the video. This chest rig setup is really nice. Not saying you got to get it, but it is working well. And I just wanted to show you some things, I guess, that like thinking outside the box on how to modify your gear. Anyway, I love you guys. Have a wonderful day. And blessings to you and yours.